Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be learning how to make this beautiful sun pattern using the Python Turtle library. For more such videos, you can refer to our Learn Python series. So let's get started. First thing is to import the Turtle library, and we'll write main loop here so that the turtle screen doesn't disappear. Now let us just observe this pattern. If you see, there is a straight line here. So let us first make this straight line. So we will say forward 100, and if we just run this, you can see a line is created, but this line is bigger than this. And if you are making the same pattern, the length should be same. Then let us try with 200 pixels. Now it seems fine. Now if we observe this line is being created. Now it's been rotated and this line is continued here. So you can observe this is 10 degrees and this whole is 180 degree. So it means that this line is rotated towards left by 170 degree to make this particular line. Okay, so we know how to rotate it leftward, towards left 170 degree like this. And if we go, okay, so it's been rotated, but it did not write forward, so the line is not been neat. Okay, so you can see these two lines are made. So this and this line, we have successfully made these two. Now if you observe the second, this is again rotated and it's going like this. Then it's again rotated and it's going like this. So it means that it is going again and again. So we can use the while loop here. While true. While true means this loop will go on infinite number of times, and we don't need just forward, we need only once. So let us see. Okay, so it's making a sun pattern. So it's making a beautiful sun pattern. Let us wait for it to complete. Okay, so you can see here the loop is going again and again because we wrote while equals to true, so it has to go infinite number of times, but it is not making a new line, it is just overriding the previous line. So what is the use of this if the turtle is moving on the same line? So for this we have a function absolute position. So we write it like this. So if we set absolute position is less than 1, this is a way to know when the turtle is back at its home position. So we can use this function in the loop. So we can set this condition: if this is less than 1, then the program will be broken. So if we write like this, then no line will be overwritten, and this break will break the program when it will come again to the same position it was before. So let us just try this. So let us wait till it completes the pattern. So okay, it stopped when it came to its home position. So that is the use of that function. Now a few things left, like we haven't changed the color and the width. So let us just change the color as well. We will write color, and here we will write red, and width is up to us. Let us set to, and let us run this program. So I can see our sun pattern is about to complete. and it stopped because it came in the same position. Now sun pattern is completed, but this turtle is not required. So let us just hide the turtle. We'll write here hide turtle. So let us see the difference when we write hide turtle below this while loop and uh, before and after the while loop. So now we have written after the while loop. So let us see what is the difference. So when we write after the while loop, you can see the turtle is visible in the beginning, but when it completes the pattern, let us see what happens. It disappears. Okay, so if we just paste it in the beginning and see, then you can see the turtle is not visible from the very beginning, and of course it will not be visible at the end also. So let it complete the whole sun pattern. You can change the color and the width according to you. You can even make it of different colors. So our pattern is completed. So this was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more coding content. Happy coding!